Alright everybody, welcome back to another Paradise Gaming YouTube video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of booster box number 5 for the channel for MetaZoo Wilderness. Went to my LGS, snagged up another box. Last two I got were actually from there, and they were pretty fire, so see if I can go 3 for 3. Still need a decent number of cards. I think it's like 4 or 5 cards, full hollows. Should have checked before I start making the video, but I'm gonna be busy tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to knock this video out real quick so I can upload it tomorrow. I'm gonna be busy the next few days, so be hard to get it done. Alright, let's get right into it. Let's see if we can get something nice. Maybe a green man, maybe a ticket, a golden ticket, and med for schmooze. Nah, I would absolutely lose my mind if I pulled any secret rares. Dublin Lake Monster. And got a reverse hollow unicorn. I think last I checked there is still the possibility to get some secret rares out there. I don't think they've all been pulled yet. And a green clawed monster. I'm so tired of seeing that card, to be honest. I've gotten so many of him. It's a beautiful card, but we got enough of you, buddy. It's time to move on. Alright, next pack. And Havelwood Mines, full hollow. Nice. Starlight Bloom. Yeah, so. How many people out there did the pre-order for the Hero Quest set? Pretty curious how everybody out there's reaction to that set is. Like I said in the previous videos, I think it was stupid having a physical CD per card you'd buy. Ooh, living or sigil, full hollow. Kind of goes against the whole point, the whole theme of Wilderness, where you have recycled boxes. It's themed, environment friendly. So why would you people are going to buy a ton of the Hero Quest promos, and if each one comes with a CD, that's a lot of wasted CDs. Like, what am I going to do with 36 CDs, 40 CDs, 50 CDs? Like, what? You know what I mean? Like, that was a waste. That's not very pro. Golden Bear reverse hollow. Very pro, environment friendly, whatever you want to say, call it. But yeah, other than that, I'm really excited for the set. I ordered, I think it was 32. I think I ordered. Oh, we got here Bigfoot full hollow. Let's go. Excuse me. Yeah, I think I ordered like 30, 32, somewhere around there, something like that to that effect. So I'm pretty excited for that Hero Quest set. I don't know if obviously I'll complete it just because it's 70 odd, 75, 70 something card set. That's insane. But maybe if I trade and do a little selling. And Fountain of Youth, full hollow. Nice. Maybe then I will be able to complete it. But other than that, just happy to have the opportunity to get one of those zombie Mothmen. That's what I'm excited for. Fountain of Youth is such a beautiful card. Yeah, Definitely want to get one of those zombie Mothmen. They look awesome. The whole set looks like it's going to be pretty cool, to be honest, at the end of the day. So. And we got a Wumpus Cat full holo. Shout out to TCG Collector. Big cat. Big six-legged cat. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Pretty awesome card. Very cool. 6 full holos so far. Is this going to be another awesome banger of a box? Alright, here we go. And the Pink Mess. Reverse holo. Tell you what, man, my local gaming store, they got the hookup when it comes to fire boxes, to be honest with you, because Beaver Shark reverse holo. Because I did not expect at all to be getting this kind of result from these booster boxes. Alright, next up we got Golden Hair Girl full holo. But yeah, Zombie Mothman, I think that's going to be a very sick card. Probably go for high value. I don't think this, from what I heard, I don't think the set, the Hero Quest in general, was too much was printed. So I don't know, maybe it'd be smart to save some sealed. But I was just thinking maybe I'll just do a video where I just rip it all open and see what we get. And Jackalope full holo. Alright, doing pretty good. So far, so good. Awesome box. Alright, what else we got? Another Beaver Shark. Reverse. Excuse me. Alright. Primordial Ooze. And we got a Fur-bearing Trout reverse. And Midnight Lake Sigil reverse. Yeah, it's probably a quick video. Rip it, ship it, type of deal. And Madagascar, reverse. Pretty excited for UFO. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty cool set. I like all the we got Joe Magarat, reverse. All the things we've seen so far. Pack art, box art, some of the spoiler stuff. It all looks like it's gonna be a pretty awesome set, so I'm excited for it. Armored Scales and Starlight Sigil reverse. Golden Bear. And another pink slime. Alright. Reverse Megalodon Tooth. Alright. Looks like we're about halfway there. And Pearl of Desire reverse. Coming Dragon. So yeah, hopefully everybody out there has been doing good. Everybody's staying healthy and safe. It's a crazy world we live in, so full hollow megalodon tooth. Alright. Hopefully everybody's having a lot of luck if you're still trying to complete your wilderness set. I think we're at the tail end of its lifespan, really, with the UFO about to come out. What we got here? We got another full hollow Fountain of Youth. Something on the penny sleeve there. Another Fountain of Youth, cool. Alright, next up, Light Ward. And Green Claw Monster reverse. What do we got here? And we got a full hollow awful. Alright, sweet. Another awesome card, Wild 7. And Lizard People reverse. And Turbocharge full hollow. I think that might have been a card we needed. I think. If so, awesome. Let's see what we got here. Some more penny sleeves. It's a pretty cool card. Turbocharge. Sweet. Alright, next up. Golden Bear full hollow. That's a pretty beautiful card right there. Alright, starting to run out of room again. Let's see if I can move these over actually. Put it there. Alright. So far, pretty solid box. Might have to go back and just buy up all the Iowa Dragon full hollows. Nice. Might have to just go back to my LGS and just buy up all the boxes I have, because they definitely got a good case of them, evidently. It's an awesome card, the Iowa Dragon. Got the flames in the background. Alright, next up. And we got a Frozen Spirit Sigil reverse. Woolly Mammoth. Alright, next up we got a Rocky full hollow. This is a pretty beautiful card too. I'm telling you, man. Actually, sleeve's got a rip in it. There we go. The blue, got a little seaweed action in the back. Awesome card. Alright, down to the last four. This might be one of the faster booster boxes I ripped. It looks like we're at the 15-minute mark. And we got a reverse hollow golden hair girl. Ooh. Nice. Dragon of Kanto Falls Full Hollow. Awesome. I definitely think I need that card. Pretty sure I need that one. Because I got it in the eBay set. So yeah, I definitely needed it for the regular set. Another just absolutely gorgeous card. Got all those colors all throughout. The Rainbow Ray. Awesome. The last 2 packs. And we got a River Mermaid. Reverse. Rocky. And we're going to end on a full hollow. What do we got here? We got a Starlight Bloom. Awesome. Very solid box. Pretty sure I got a couple cards I did need. There's a Starlight Bloom. Yep. I think I need Wampus Cat too. So awesome. We got the dragons. Wampus Cat. Bigfoot. Of course. An awful. So solid box. 17 cards, 16, 17 cards. Yeah, I'll take it. Awesome box. All right, everybody. I'm gonna see if I can get my binders all together. Put the cards all in all of them. I started on the Crypto Nation First Edition binder. That first set, I started working on my binder there, and yeah, and I'll just get them all together, and then we'll do a video where I'll show them all off and see how our collection has come. Alright, everybody, thank you for checking out the video. If you enjoy this content, if you want to follow along with the MetaZoo journey and any other gaming things we will be looking into, whether it be Pokemon, board games, whatever. If you like to see what's inside, we rip it open and check it out. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe and follow along, and I appreciate a like if you left that as well. Thank you, everybody, for checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Be safe. Bye.